April 24, boat pilot told to be culpable in deadly Mekong Delta collision arrested. The pilot of a tourist boat involved in the collision with a ferry in the Mekong Delta last weekend, resulting in one death, was arrested on Monday. Phan Thanh Được, 42, was held by police in Tân Châu Thấu for violations when piloting waterway vessels. On April 19, he was helming Hangzhou Tourist Express boat, which was carrying 42 tourists from Phnom Penh in Cambodia to Chao Đốc, when it was hit by a ferry on the Tiên River in An Giang province. A 36-year-old tour guide was killed, and a Frenchman and a German was injured. Authorities said Được did not control the speed and distance from the other vessel leading to the collision. Hoàng Thị Minh Đạm, the company that organized tours using the vessels, had said Saturday Được has all the necessary qualifications for the job and over 10 years experience. Nguyễn Khánh Hiệp, director of the An Giang Province Department of Culture, Sports and Tourism, said there would be an assessment of Hangzhou operations and any possible violations would be analyzed.